Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to send money with the Remitly app. So the first thing I want to say is that if you've never sent money on the Remitly app before, then what's going to happen is that let me go ahead and choose a different currency. Once you're inside a currency, you will have a screen that basically looks like this with no history, nothing. And you basically have no recipients as well. So there's two ways you can go about adding the recipients or sending money is that you can either click on a recipient and add the recipient right here, fill in the details, and then you can send the money or just go straight to send at the bottom there. So you will see this option that says send. You click on that arrow and it's going to take you here where you can enter the amount of money that you want to send. Now, once you go ahead and enter the money that you want to send, you click on continue, right? Then you choose how you want to basically send the money, whether it's going to be cash deposit or it's going to be the bank deposit or whatever it's going to be. You just need to choose the option that you want, and then once you go ahead and choose the option that you want to go ahead and fill in those details, and it's going to reach to the point where you'll basically fill in the contact details for that person, and then you will be able to send that money to that person, right? And that person will automatically be saved as a recipient as well, right? So let me go ahead and discard it. So that's basically how it works. Now, if you have an account, let's say that you already send money to someone in the past, you can easily manage this by choosing the existing recipients. So if you have an existing recipient, you can say send again and you'll find the contact details. You can click on that and then you can just basically send the same amount if you did that in the past, or you can choose the option that says add a recipient. For example, you will find those contact details and you can either choose the existing recipient or add a new one by filling in the details of that recipient, and then you can send money to that person. But if you just want to quickly go straight to sending and fill out all of those contact details on the go, just simply tap on send, and then you will choose whether you want to choose an existing recipient or send to a new recipient. You choose a new recipient. You basically go through the same process of adding the money that you want to send, and then the equivalent will show up. You proceed, right? You basically click and continue, and you choose the option that you want. So that could be mobile money, and you can choose how you want to basically do that. So let's say it's going to be, I don't know, for example, this option here, and you basically fill in the person first name, last name, you proceed all the way through, and you'll be able to send money very quickly with the Remitly app. But that's it, guys. It's a very easy and straightforward process to go ahead and send money using the Remitly app.